How to add $sign in Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add $sign in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial guys, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. On your system open Microsoft Excel. Now, to adding $sign select the cells, and right-click of mouse. Now, click on Format Cells. In category select Currency. A new window will appear. Now, in front of symbol, click on drop-down menu. Here, you can see a long list of currency will appear. Now, select United States from the list. Below click on OK button. This is how you can simply add $sign in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.